Okay, guys, real quick, the purpose of this video is to identify the appointments on the day prior. So how do you identify coaches that had a success session? You're going to log into MindBody, you're going to go to home, you're going to go to appointments tab, and when you go to appointments tab, uh, if it's Saturday, I'm going to check the day before, which is Friday. So when you see this, Adriana, Nick, Randy, William, most of this stuff is preset just from the years, but you want to identify your salesman. So if I'm trying to see who had appointments the day before, I'm probably going to tally it up on a sheet of paper. Donna, and basically what you're looking for is, it's going to disappear if I let it go, but it's going to say success session. So don't get this twisted in terms of at 9 a.m. I have an internship KPI closeout south. That is not a appointment, or I'm sorry, that's not a scheduled success session. This right here, William Savoy internship FR check-in, success session south. You're always looking for success session. So it looks like I had 1, 2, 3, 4, and then Adriana had Dwayne Mace, which is a success session. No, it's actually a cancellation. So that's another good one. She had a cancellation. That's not a success session. So for the day before, if today is Saturday and I'm checking the 3rd, right, there were 4 success sessions. It looks like that's all I'm reconciling. Let's go to a more busy day of the week. Let's actually go back. Let's go November the 4th. Now I got a lot of chaos right here. It's a lot going on. Obviously, you want to stay away from the boot camp, and obviously the only thing you're looking for is the word success session. No need to scroll over to the left or the right. This screen kind of gives you everything you need, but also identify your salesmen, Adriana, Nick, and William. But at the same time, make sure you click through the tabs because we can bring somebody through. Obviously, it's management's job to let you know that there's a new salesman. So if I'm just going down the list, no, it doesn't say success session. It doesn't say success session. It doesn't. Uh-oh. Shakita does have a success session with Tatiana Moffat. Okay, so there's one. So if today was Tuesday the 5th, I'm going to check the 4th. So Tatiana Moffat is one I need to contact. I don't know what happened to this person, but also I am going to check in my first commitment tab. This is 2. It looks like this one was met with because she's pink. 2. Nope, it doesn't say success session. Nope, doesn't say success session. 8:30 with Amanda Newman. So it looks like I'm at 1, 2, 3. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Uh-oh, Adriana. 4, 5, 6. Now, if you do the numbers on that again, this is kind of leading me into my next video. It looks like out of that 6, only 2 of those people came. That is a horrible ratio. We're actually less than 50% on that. So again, the goal is getting them to the door, and this is how you identify the success session schedule. Just look for the word success session. Thank you.